The Marathon Bar, launched in 1973, captivated candy lovers with its long, braided caramel enveloped in chocolate. Despite its popularity, the bar was discontinued in 1981. However, its nostalgic charm continues to resonate among candy enthusiasts. Similarly, the Reggie Bar, named after baseball legend Reggie Jackson, combined peanuts and caramel, gaining traction in the late 1970s. Yet, it ultimately succumbed to a decline in the early 1980s, leaving behind cherished memories for its fans. Transitioning to more unique offerings, the 7-Up bar introduced by the Trudeau Candy Company provided an exciting array of 7 flavors in one bar, delighting consumers with every bite. Unfortunately, it met its end in 1977 as consumer preferences shifted. Furthermore, the Caravel bar's exit from the market left a void for fans who craved its crispy caramel goodness. This case exemplifies how distinct flavors can forge an emotional bond with consumers. In another instance, Mars PB Max showcased how even beloved products can face abrupt discontinuation based on corporate strategies, leaving loyal fans feeling deeply affected. Similarly, despite the Hershey's bar none enjoying a loyal following, it was discontinued following a formula change, highlighting how alterations can undermine consumer loyalty. Meanwhile, Oompas drew inspiration from the Oompa Loompa, delivering chewy bursts of flavor that endeared them to many. Their discontinuation left a profound sense of loss for those who cherished this childhood treat. In a different realm, Space Dust created a unique sensory experience, fizzing and crackling in the mouth like miniature fireworks. Though its stint in popularity was brief, it remains a memorable candy for those fortunate enough to try it. Likewise, the Whisper Mint bar artfully combined mint and chocolate, quickly earning a place in the hearts of many. Yet, its discontinuation in 2003 left mint chocolate lovers feeling disappointed. Looking back, the Powerhouse bar, introduced in the 1950s, wasn't merely a candy. It offered an energy boost wrapped in nostalgia and enriched with rich ingredients. Unfortunately, it eventually faded into obscurity due to rising competition. The Wigwag Candy Bar, a beloved Canadian treat, featured a unique twisted caramel and chocolate coating that symbolized childhood joy and nostalgia, despite ultimately being discontinued. Caramac, introduced in 1959, emerged as a unique caramel-flavored chocolate bar, becoming iconic over the years. Its unexpected discontinuation in 2023 shocked many fans who held it dear. Equally exciting, the Friday 5-center bar, popular in the 1950s and 60s, stood out for its 5 fruity fondant centers, offering an exhilarating flavor adventure in each bite. Moreover, the Texan bar, launching in the 1970s, was celebrated for its chewy nougat and toffee, creating a satisfying blend that garnered a dedicated following among candy enthusiasts. Bonkers, introduced in the 1980s, were vibrant, fruit-flavored chewy candies known for their bold colors and flavors, leaving a lasting impression on candy aficionados. Originating from Wisconsin, the Denver Sandwich Candy Bar was a delightful chocolate-covered treat that offered a unique blend of flavors, albeit with a somewhat misleading name. Lastly, Bar 6, a Canadian favorite characterized by its eye-catching packaging, featured crispy wafers and hazelnut cream, becoming a nostalgic staple for many. Finally, the Chicken Dinner Candy Bar made a unique claim of being a nutritious option, ingeniously blending fudge, caramel, and peanuts, reflecting early marketing strategies that straddled the line between indulgence and health.